DIYers, what's going on? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking jet skis today. In the event that your jet ski is not starting, in today's video, we're going to show you how to figure out if your starter relay needs to be replaced. Let's take a look. DIYers, here we are at the lake. It's a beautiful morning and the jet ski on the left-hand side on the hoist. As you can see, what we'll do is we'll remove it from the hoist, pull it to shore, and start the project. We are now shoreside, and I have removed the seats to give us much better access to the internal hull where the battery and engine and everything else is. And coming to the back side or portion of the hull, there is our electrical box, and inside that electrical box is a few parts which include the starter relay. To remove this cap, we have two plastic tabs on the left side and one plastic tab on the right side. Push those in as you simultaneously apply upward pressure to remove this cap. Now there is a rubber seal between the cap and the box, so it might be a little tough to pull up, but just be patient and do not break anything. Again, just be patient, do not break anything, do not rush this. On the bottom side of the cap is an electrical wire that feeds into a fuse. We're going to leave that as is, and we are going to come inside the box. You can see quite a lot of wiring inside there. Let me scroll in. And right there is the top portion of our starter relay. 3 electrical wires feed into it. 1, 2, and 3 right there. And are secured on those threaded studs with nuts. So now that we know exactly where our starter relay is in our jet ski, again, yours may be in a different spot, but in most cases it's pretty standard jet ski to jet ski. Inside a watertight sealed electrical box is your starter relay. Let's talk about a quick DIY step you can take to figure out whether or not your starter relay is faulty or not. With the battery connected, the seats on, and you're ready to go for a cruise, connect your key. You will hear the electrical system turn on. You'll see the gauges turn on. You'll hear the fuel injection portion of the engine prime the engine, and push your start stop button and try to start your engine. And at that point, in the event that it only clicks once, it is a faulty starter relay. However, if it continues to make a clicking sound, that is a clear indication that your starter relay is working perfectly fine. Again, as you push that start stop button, if you just hear one click and nothing else as you continuously push on that start stop button, you have a faulty relay and that must be replaced. And scrolling above right now is a step-by-step video of us replacing our starter relay. Definitely check that out. You may find it helpful. And as we just mentioned, as you continuously push that start stop button and you hear constant clicking, you have a good starter relay and that does not need to be replaced. Chances are you have a failed starter that needs to be replaced. Or you have a battery that's low on voltage and not charged to a point where it's given the proper crank power to start your engine. So test your battery, make sure it's above 12 volts. And if it's not, go and remove it, charge it, reinstall it, and try to start your jet ski. In addition, if your battery is maybe 3, 4, 5 years old or older, guess what? Chances are it's not ever going to hold a charge and it must be replaced. On average, jet ski batteries usually only last 5 years at the most. So if your battery's old and you're experiencing these troubles, before anything, test your battery to ensure it's holding the charge and giving the right output to crank your engine. So DIYers, that is what I wanted to show you. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. It's an early Sunday morning. Not much activity on the lake yet. But here in a few hours, that will change.